Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by adding the extension. Open Safari, go to Preferences, then Extensions, and click the App Store link. Search for Google Translate or a well-rated translator and install it. Once installed, enable the extension in Safari's Extensions panel and grant only the permissions you need, typically access to active tabs or page content. This lets the extension read the page to translate. You'll avoid blanket permissions. After enabling, pin the extension to the toolbar for quick access and move to Configuration. Now configure and test it. Click the toolbar icon and set your target language, leaving source language on auto detect for convenience. Make sure the extension is allowed to run on the current site. Some sites restrict extensions, and you may need to toggle site access. To translate, either highlight text and use the context menu or click the extension to translate the entire page. Once done, confirm the translation appears inline or in a pop-up, and adjust voice or display settings if the extension offers them. Finish by testing multiple pages and languages to ensure consistent behavior. If a page won't translate, reload it and confirm the extension is allowed on that domain. Safari's content blockers or privacy settings can block script injection. If you still see no response, quit and relaunch Safari to clear cached extension states. As a last step, remove and reinstall the extension to restore defaults. Troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable other extensions and content blockers to isolate conflicts, then re-enable them once translation works.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.